To share photos or videos on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra to another device with quick share, swipe down the top of the screen by using two fingers to open up the quick panel. Find quick share icon and then tap it. Select who you want to share with. You can select contacts only if you are sharing with someone who is currently in your contact list, or you can select everyone if you are sharing with someone who is not listed yet in your contact list. As the example, we will select contacts only and then tap Done button to save the selection. Now open Gallery app. Open the album where the photos or videos you like to share are in. Select the desired photos or videos to share. Tap share icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap quick share icon. If you can find the device, make sure that the receiver device screen is turned on. Receiver device should show up. You can tap the required device. On the receiver device, tap accept. If the device is still locked, you have to enter the screen lock. As a note, all photos or video received with quick share will be saved in the quick share album in the Gallery app. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.